So moving ahead with the second question in WWF questions and answers video series, what is the difference between composite and leaf activities? Now when we talk about workflow is nothing but it is group of activities which are arranged in a logical manner. So in other words, workflow has probably activities which are sequential in manner, or I will say they are executed sequential in manner, or they are executed in some kind of logical format. Now, in order to understand the difference between composite and leaf activities, what we'll do is that we'll take up a simple workflow. Now, this workflow basically depicts a typical scenario of candidate evaluation from the interview perspective. So, what happens typically? First, you get the resume of the candidate. Then you start looking into that. Does it really match your requirement of your organization? And let's say if it doesn't match your requirement of your organization, you say just leave it. And in case it matches it, then you say that okay, let's take an interview and let's judge ahead what happens. Now from the results of the interview, let's say that the result is negative, then you just reject the candidate, and in case the result is positive, then you give him an offer letter. And in case you think that you are still not sure about the candidate, then you can probably keep him on hold. Okay, now this is a typical example of a workflow, and it has series of smaller activities which are embedded inside it. Now the take interview activity has lot of other sub activities involved inside it. So you can say that take interview has many sub activities contained within him. So if an activity has more sub activities inside it, then it is called as a composite activity. For example, the take interview, the result, these are nothing but these are composite activities because they have more activities inside them. Okay, now the final unit level activity which do not have activities below them is called as leaf activities. For example, hold, offer letter, rejected, these activities basically do not have any more child activities below them, so these are called as leaf activities. So composite activities are nothing but they are activities which have more activities which are contained within them, while leaf activities are those activities which are just free floating and they are the smallest unit of activity in that workflow.